I welcome you all to the maths class. So in today's session we will be doing question number 8 from exercise 7.4. Alright. So question number 8 states that Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Okay. So Ela is reading 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 by 5 of the same book. Okay, so Lalita is reading 2 by 5 of the same book. Who read less? So there are two girls here, Ela and Lalita. Ela is reading 25 pages of book which is containing 100 pages. One book is there. Alright, in that book, so Ela is reading 25 pages out of that 100 pages, and Lalita is reading 2/5 of the same book. Now who is reading less? That you have to calculate. Very easy. This is a form of a fraction. Alright, so first of all, let us write total pages. Total pages a book has is equal to 100 pages. In one book there is 100 pages. Now how many pages did Ela read? Ela read 25 pages and Lalita read 2 by 5 of the page is equal to 2 by 5 of 100. That means out of 100, 2 by 5th Ela read. Now if I convert this into the whole number form, so I'll be doing like this: 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100, so 2 20s is 40 pages Ela read, isn't it? Now you have to find who read less. Of course it is directly, easily you can verify, usually you can correlate that Ela read less pages. So you'll write, therefore Ela read only 25 pages, so she read less, isn't it? Easily you can verify, easily you can compare with Lalita. Lalita read 40 pages, Ela read 25 pages, so it's directly you can compare it. Okay, so I hope you people have understood. Only there was one confusion they were trying to create in the question was 2 by 5 of the pages, means out of 100, 2 by 5 she read. So till now you people know how to convert any fractional form into in a whole number form, right? So in this manner we have to solve it. Okay, proceeding to the next question, that is question number 9. Rafiqul exercised for 3 by 6 of an hour, while Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer period of time? That you have to calculate. It's very similar to the previous question, that is when we were comparing any two fraction, right? So this can be done in a very simple manner. So I have given you one hint, if you remember in a previous class, that whenever you have a same numerator, that is 3 3 here, if 1 1 there, then the denominator having smaller number will be the greater number, right? You can do like this also, or you can find the LCM directly. So here you have to find who exercised for a longer period of time. So Rohit is the answer, but let us do this in a very step by step manner, as this is a statement problem. What problem? So statement should be written. Okay, so let us write time for which Rafiq exercised is equal to 3 by 6 of an hour, right? Similarly, time for which Rohit exercise is equal to 3 by 4 of an hour. Yes, very it is given in the question directly, so I am writing it. Now we have to compare between comparing 3 by 6 and 3 by 4. You can use this method and directly write the answer that Rohit exercised longer period of time. But let us now convert this into the like fraction by taking the LCM of the denominator given there. So what is the LCM of 6 and 4? 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 3 1s are 3, 2 there, 2 1s are 2. Now what is the LCM? 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, right? So now we have to make our denominator 12. With what you'll be multiplying to get 12? 6 2s are, whatever you are multiplying in the denominator, in the numerator it should be written. And here also you have to convert this into denominator 12 as a denominator. So 4 3s are 3 3s are over here. Now 3 to the 6 by 12 and 9 by 12. You can easily compare now that both the denominators are same. So 9 is the bigger one. That means 3 by 4 is greater. So who exercised for longer period of time? I have already told that Rohit exercised for a longer period of time. That is in this way only. But I had showed you in different manner. Okay, that is also correct. Hence 9 by 2 or 3 by 4 is greater compared to 6 by 12 or 3 by 6. So who exercised for a longer period of time? Rohit exercised. So you will write Rohit exercised for longer time, isn't it? So we have compared this to value. We got that 6 by 9 is 6 by 12 is 9 by 12 is greater than 6 by 12. So hence we can directly say that Rohit exercised for longer period of time. Okay, proceeding to the next one. I request you all to do this as a home assignment. This will be a homework. I know that you people have understood the previous sum. So using the concept of both, you will be solving this. Having any problem, don't worry, I'm here to solve this. Okay, so this much for today. In our next class we will proceed with the next sum. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.